Hey, this is a VanDorn bottle. This one's from Wildco Company. And this allows us to sample water from discrete depths. And we can then, if we're careful enough, we can get oxygen with them. And the way it works is it's got a couple of plungers on the end that you can pull open. And so you pull the first one open and clip it in, pushing down where the messenger, which is what's going to trigger this, goes. And then you take the second one and you hook it on the other side of this. So here's this, the way it works. So now we've got the rubber tube in the middle that's got it springing, and we'll let it down a couple meters. We're taking it 2 meters. And this is a messenger. The messenger just clips onto the line like this. You got to be careful when you got these things, because if the messenger is not clipped on right and you go over the edge of the boat, then you lose the messenger, and they're not cheap. The messenger goes down and thunks that, and it opens that up, and the latch and snaps shut the ends. It's a curiously satisfying sound and feeling when you get it to go. And then we pull it up and set it on the side of the boat, and then we could put our sample in a bottle if we had it through that. And so I opened this side, and on this side I had to open it to let the oxygen in. In addition to that, if we were trying to get an oxygen sample, we would put a BOD bottle with a tube down there and put the sample into it so we didn't mix air into it. Yep. Ready? So we got down about 6 meters, and this lake has a cyanobacterial bloom, an oscillatoria bloom that forms in it. Maybe you can see down in there how green this particular sample is, whereas the sample from the surface looked almost completely clear. In some years we can also get a layer of purple photosynthetic bacteria in this lake, if you're really lucky. I don't think we got it this year, but we haven't seen them in recent years. But these metalimnetic blooms of bacteria are a very interesting limnological phenomenon that many people are not aware of.